Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to Dinah's Kitchen. Today guys, I'm preparing green bean salad dish. Let me show you what I'm using, guys. I'm using some green beans, some baby tomato, minced garlic, and I'm using the Belgian so brand cheese. I'm using the long laid garlic butter, and I'm using some peanuts and raisin, and I'm going to use some mixed fresh season. Let me just cut off just the ends of the green beans, guys. All right, so now we're gonna put this aside, and we're gonna start with our tomato. Just put them in something and wash them so we can wash them. Give them a nice wash. All right, guys. So my tomato is already washed. So now I'm just gonna cut them up, guys. To have it all figured out tonight. I'm allowed to be. This salad, guys, gonna be so delicious. So make sure you try the recipe, guys. Make sure to try the recipe. If you're a salad person, you're gonna love this. Like sometimes if I'm making video, I try to cut up like stuff, not on camera, but off camera. Because I realize nowadays, a lot of people, they don't want to watch you cutting up and all of that. But sometimes cutting up is important, you know? It's important to show you how to cut it up. Right? Anything that you're doing, sometimes step by step is good, you know? But sometimes you don't even want to do step by step. Because I have a lot of video that I don't go step by step because sometimes people don't really want to see a long video. They just want something quick and easy, right? But sometimes step by step is absolutely good. I understand sometimes when you watch video, you just want something quick. But sometimes step by step is good. All right, so I finished my baby tomato. So now I'm gonna do my lemon. The lemon is not to cook with everything. It's just to decorate the plate. Yeah, it's just to decorate the plate, my lemon. All right, guys, so let's cook it. Okay, guys, so I just go ahead and pour my water in my pot and more oil. This is minced and herb garlic. So now, guys, I'm gonna put in my green beans. So I'm gonna cook my beans for about 3 minutes. As you can see, it's cooking nicely, so I'm gonna remove it from the stove. Now, guys, I'm gonna saute the beans and the rest of the season together. This is my garlic butter. Once you had all your fresh season, you're gonna add a little salt and black pepper. I'm going to add some fresh garlic. And look at that, guys, it looks so juicy. Oh my goodness, guys, this tastes so yummy. Guys, try it. You're gonna absolutely love it. If you are a vegetable person, you're gonna love this. So now I'm gonna add my little topping, my little peanut, almond, and raisin. So guys, you can add anything you want to it. Guys, that's what you call overloaded green bean salad. This looks so good, so good. And guys, it tastes yummy too. So guys, if you watch the video and you like, share with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe. All right, and let us know where you're watching from. God bless.